Thank you, Laura. I appreciate the welcome. Hello, everyone. I am Matt Bain from JB&A Distribution. Welcome to today's webinar. I thank you very much for your time. Today, we're going to be talking about something that's, honestly very near and dear to my heart, and that is the Streamed Easy bundles. And those bundles have been something that have continually evolved over the last year, and they've just had a major evolution, which is we've added audio capabilities to those bundles. So I'm really excited to share those. And it's really giving people a way to not only make their streaming systems easier, but how do we make them not only look great, but also sound great? We developed Streamed Easy to really help advance the video capabilities of our government, our education, and our corporate customers. And I'm not sure that everybody on this call is super familiar with what those bundles are. So I think we should do a level set of the Streamed Easy bundles. When building these bundles, we really had two main objectives. They need to be easy to use, and they need to create engaging content. I think we've accomplished that and more. We created several bundle options to address all of the most common customer requests. Whether your company uses GoToMeeting, Microsoft Teams, Skype, or any other video conferencing software, we can help you take your meetings to the next level. Streamed Easy can turn your mundane meetings into something special. Beyond just the technology, though, we've also done the integration and the testing in-house to ensure all of our deployments are as quick and easy as possible. To create an engaging video platform, we need to start with the ability to create great-looking content, and that really starts with cameras. We have bundles that include everything from document cameras to BTZs to box cameras, all the way up to broadcast cameras for larger events. Switching allows for multiple sources to be used, like multiple cameras, computers, document cameras, digital whiteboards, and even more. Processing is included in each bundle, and that gives the ability to not only utilize all of the feeds and sources, but also process them for different delivery methods, and an integration into other applications like Zoom and Google. Multi-streaming capabilities to reach people on whatever device they choose. Recording to make your content available later as on-demand content. We even include stunning displays. I think most importantly, though, we include setup and training options to make it a fast and easy deployment. Now I'd like to give you a real-world scenario. One of the most common requests that we get is how do we take our Zoom meetings and make them better or make them more engaging? So that's what I'm going to do. In my example today, I'm going to basically be teaching a training class to employees. But this can be used in many different ways, whether it is a conference call or a training event or even just customer education. Let's get started. All I have to do is start my Zoom session like normal, and you will see once you select your camera settings, I can select any of the multiple sources that I have available to me. In this case, the Streamed Easy bundle is coming into my system via NDI, so I am going to select NDI video. That's it. I'm ready to go. I'm ready for my students. But I definitely want to take you through a few more of the features and how you actually operate the system. I'm going to pull the curtain back a little bit and show you how easy it is to utilize the Streamed Easy bundles. What you're looking at is the actual back end of the control system. Now, this can look complicated at first glance, but what's really important to know is that once this gets set up, the instructor actually doesn't ever have to get in here unless they want to do something special. We can set up all the customizations, so it's really just a push button. On my desk, I have 4 buttons. I just push those to change my sources. On the right-hand side of your screen where you see just the large image of me and a green screen, that's coming from a PTZ camera that's sitting on my desk. I also have an iPhone camera that's pointed at my whiteboard that you can see. I have a computer source that's coming in. That's where you see the picture of Thomas Edison. And I also have a document camera sitting on my desk. I can do a little wave for you right there. That is pointed at my record player. At the push of a button, I can change which source is being displayed to my audience. Now, it doesn't just have to be a full screen video like this. I can also do picture in pictures, or I can do side by sides. This makes it really easy to make interesting content. Now, you'll also notice that I have a yellow background on here. I can change my background color. I can add graphics like this if I have particular messages that I want to display to my students, or I could change the background color. It's really easy to utilize this, especially because I don't ever have to get into this interface. We have different ways that we can put these 4 buttons on your desk. Makes it incredibly easy just to hit the button and go. If you want to get more interesting with your content, we can even add green screen functionality that I'll show you in just a minute, which is the reason why I have that green screen behind me. As I mentioned before, creating great content starts with having great cameras. Our bundles include cameras of all types, whether you want a document camera to capture something physical like a document or even a product, or PTZ cameras so you can move your camera's pan, your tilt, or your zoom to get that perfect image, or you want a box camera to permanently install for a wide shot or for other use cases, or if you even want to step up to a broadcast quality camera. The JB&A bundles include everything that you need. Once you have cameras, how do you select which cameras to actually show? That's the job of the video switcher. The Streamed Easy bundle includes a 4 simultaneous channel switcher with titles, graphic overlays, picture-in-picture functionality, backgrounds, and more. You can even bring in pre-recorded videos and other content into your class. If you need even more, we can scale to larger switchers that will offer more functionality and flexibility. The switcher also acts as an audio and video processor. It allows you to utilize sources of all types. NDI sources so you can easily use an IP network, local HDMI sources, RTSP streams, and multiple channels of audio. This provides you seamless mixing and switching. Recording your content is a big deal. It allows you to post meetings as on-demand assets for people to view at a later date and time. It also enables you to reuse your content for future meetings or programs. Streamed Easy takes it further with 5 total channels of record. This means your video sources can be recorded independently, giving you more options to reutilize your materials. It can even be scheduled and integrated into your calendars for an even easier workflow. We can even include stunning 98-inch LCD 4K panels. This can help bridge the gap between what an audience sees in-room and what they see online, giving you a very harmonious experience. One of the most difficult things for corporations to cope with in a video communication strategy is reaching their audience. Their audience can change dramatically, and normally there's multiple different audiences that a business needs to reach, whether it's employees internally or external partners or even customers. So how do you put together a strategy that can actually reach all of your audience wherever they are, not just today, but where they could be in the future? That's where multi-stream capability comes in handy. It allows you to send your content to multiple locations at the same time. This means no matter where your audience is, you can reach them with the content that you need to get in front of them. All right, now that you've seen what Streamed Easy is from the video side, let's take a look at the audio options, and I think the best way to do that is to roll this promo. Streamed Easy streaming bundles from JB&A just got louder and easier with the addition of Streamed Easy audio packages. No production is complete without great sounding audio, and we made that even easier to do. We've included mixing and processing, microphones, headphones, and monitor speakers. All of the essential technologies to bring great sounding audio into any production, whether you're a school, a church, a corporation, or a government entity. So what exactly comes in each bundle? Let's take a look. Audio Package 1 starts with a USB condenser microphone. It also acts as your audio interface. We also include desktop monitor speakers and headphones. For under $300, you can step up your audio capabilities instantly. This is a perfect, low-cost solution for any of your small streaming needs. Audio Package 2 gets a little bigger with an extremely powerful 12-channel mixer with included effects, dynamic and condenser microphones, monitor speakers, and professional headphones. Audio Package 2 is perfect for any small to medium-sized streaming solution. And finally, the big guy, Audio Package number 3. We've taken the smaller packages and made them bigger and better. A premium 24-channel analog mixer with USB multi-track capabilities, is at the heart of this system. We've also included 8-inch professional monitor speakers, microphones, and headphones. Schedule a free consultation to learn how the JB&A Streamed Easy audio packages can work for you. Thanks so much. All right, out of all that technology and that amazing feature set, one of the most powerful things that you get when you purchase Streamed Easy is really an hour of remote setup and training. So our team will log in remotely and help get the customer up and running smoothly. Really, this is invaluable. We have the experience and we know how to get a customer to that starting point where they feel comfortable. All right, now let's move into the Q&A section. If you have any questions, please submit them now.